Balance the chemical equation by law of conservation of mass. Hydrochloric acid plus silver nitrate is gives us nitric acid plus silver chloride. In this equation, the reactants are hydrochloric acid and silver nitrate, and the products are nitric acid and silver chloride. If you look at this equation, the number of atoms at the reactant side are same as the number of atoms at the product side. There are one hydrogen atom, one chlorine atom, one silver atom, one nitrogen atom, and three oxygen atoms on both sides. So we don't need to balance this equation because this equation is already balanced. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.